What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the Xiaomi Scooter 4 here in 2026, so let's check it out. Firstly, the technical characteristics here. The maximum speed is 25 km per hour, but can be unlocked to 30 or 32 km per hour. For the suspension, of course, there is no suspension, not back, no front. The riding modes are 3 modes: pedestrian, standard or drive, and sport mode. Although the maximum range here is around 35 kilometers, of course it's on the eco mode. Maximum climbing incline is 16 degree. The motor here is actually in front located, is whole brushless DC motor, 300 watt and 600 watt is the maximum power. The battery capacity is 275 watt-hour or 7650 mAh. The charging time is around 5 hours. It's 70 watt adapter here, 42 volts. Dual braking, so actually it's front regenerative ABS or electronic brakes versus rear pad disc brake on the back, so from this side located. 10 inches tubeless pneumatic tires here, front and back. And 17.2 kilogram is the weight, and maximum load is around 110 kilogram. Also, you can connect it using Bluetooth with Xiaomi app, IP54 or here dust and splash resistance, Bluetooth of course supported, and basically for key characteristics that's it. So let's check out how it looks like here. So you have acceleration button here, indicator left and right. Also pedestrian mode, drive mode and speed mode, so actually 3 only. Battery indicator and indicating the kilometers per hour. Also you have the horn here, brake, it's a disc brake, light, so here you have it on top, LED, not that good, but it's acceptable. So here is a mechanism to hold it. Also the tires and engines, that's how it looks like. Here is the deck and the back side of the device. So actually the price of it right now is $200, so I got it second-hand for $200. Of course the new one will be around $500. As a second-hand option for $200 is really amazing scooter, definitely worth its money, and I would recommend it. For the new one, of course, you can find much better model for this price, like E3 Pro, for example, which will be really better and more reliable and better looking and more modern, let's say. And yeah, for this price definitely take it. So it's quite looking good, quite reliable, and in general Mi Home app you can do many things, many settings available. Also for next video I will record how to unlock the scooter, and let me just show you how it looks like in the app. So I connected to the app. Let's skip the video, the riding safety guide, click exit. Okay, so you see here estimated battery life 35 km per hour, so let's switch to speed mode. Also don't change, it's actually 35, indicating current battery is 100%. Tire maintenance reminder, so each month actually it's remind to pump the tires, maintain later, let's click on it or click maintained, each month it will remind you. So the current mileage, average speed, also you can see all the riding information. The total mileage is 620 kilometers, usage time is 1000 days, it's exactly of this device of course, so you can swipe to lock and unlock your scooter, tailing light, always on or off, energy recovery, medium, high or low, so not much settings available here. Let's try. So you can check the battery information, more details, how many cycles, what's the capacity, remaining capacity, so all the detailed information you can check out here. Scooter QR code, scooter information, so here you can find the serial number and other information, temperature, also manage location, firmware update. Currently it's up to date, so that's all the settings what you have in the app here. And basically for this price, for $200, it's still a good and reliable scooter for every day, especially for the city, and I really recommend to buy it.